Hello students, here we can get the another search engine where another website where we can get some best study material. Okay, and this is the MIT-OCW, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT Open Courseware OCW. Okay, so this is the website given here, and you have to go to this website and uh, find the courses, click on that tab, and then after this tab you will lead to the cross-disciplinary topic list. There the another list of given there, and you have to click on the life science. I took one example from the life science. Okay, and but you can get you can search according to your need. Suppose you are a student of an art, or you are a student of the humanities, you are a student of a business, then you can search according to your need. Everything are given there. Okay, so suppose this is the life science and you click here, then you have to click on the department. Suppose I click on the biology department, then I will see some courses. I click on the one out of those. This is the fundamentals of biology, and then I will start open this course and start learning. Okay, so this is an example. You can search, as I told you, that you can search according to your need. Okay, so have a look that how we can uh, find some course. Okay, so have a hands-on session. Okay, so I searched on the Google, and then I found this result. You can see here I searched on the MIT OCW, then I found this ocw.mit.edu, this website. Okay, I click here, then I will go to the home page of the MIT OCW, right? So this is its home page. Okay, it is opening. Okay, this is its home page. You can check out. You know very well, I think most of you already heard about it. MIT is the world's #1 university, okay, in the world ranking. So the best course material are given there. Okay, suppose I want to search some my topics. Okay, then I have to click here, and then if I know the course number, then I go through this. I know the department, then according to this. Okay, everything are given there, right? There are some new courses, and time to time it is updating. Okay, and you can again go through this course discipline topic list. Okay, suppose I click on the department. Okay, then I will find the many departments are there, right? School of Architecture and Planning, School of Science, Engineering, School of Management, School of Humanities, Arts, Social Science. Okay, other programs, everything are given there, right? Okay, so suppose I click on the life science and find this course. Okay, then the life in the life science, this is a complete list is given there. Life science by department. Okay, so now the some more departments are given there in the life science stream. So suppose I click on, I want to search some material for the biology. So I click on the biology, then I will lead to this page. Okay, here you can see some courses of biology, right? So there are lots of number of the courses given here. Okay, whichever you want, you can open and start studying. Suppose I want to take a course out of these. Okay, and then I have to, okay, now I am taking the one course, that is the fundamentals. Okay, so this is the course fundamentals of biology, right? Here you can see who are the instructors, professors. which will teach, who will teach us, right? And which level of course is this, undergraduate level of course of this. Okay, and you can find the syllabus for this course. Okay, and parts of all these things, and whichever you want, you can click on that and open that and start studying. Here some video lectures, interactive assessment, exam solution, resource index, everything are given there, assignment, everything, right? So whichever you want, you can read. If you share this course to anyone or use this course, then you can cite this directly. Okay, everything is given, and this is the under Creative Commons license, so you need not to worry about that. Now, okay, click on the get started. Okay, suppose I click here, then I will find to this page. Okay, this is the page below, this is page before me, right? Course, prerequisite, everything is given there, right? Okay, so right, I'm clicking here on the next. The here all professors are my introduction about all the professor is given there. I again click on the next, and you can see. Okay, now this course is starting from the biochemistry, right? So all the topics will cover one by one, and then it will automatically move to the next topic. Okay, and this is very convenient course. You can understand, you can learn everything, and the study material is really awesome. Okay, so I personally recommend to all that you have to read through all these material and grow your knowledge. Okay, so thank you.